Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are diving into how to use Loox review for Shopify. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin page and click on Add Apps. Then navigate to Shopify App Store. Once the page is opened, search for Loox. Select the app and begin installing it on your store. Once the application is installed, click on Continue and enable the widget. Start integrating Loox with your Shopify store. After enabling the app, scroll down and click on Add section. Then move your cursor and click on App. You will see a list of Loox applications integrated. Choose the app that helps with customers' review. Link your products with the review app. Once you finish, save the changes and write sample reviews to ensure it's functioning properly. Click on the Write Review button. Rate with stars and add a photo. Type your feedback. Insert your name and email. Once you finish, Go back to the store and check the review section. It's successfully added. Customers can now leave their review on this page. Thank you for watching.